One of the images of the Holy Spirit is a dove. So we're going to make a dove now out of a straightforward piece of white paper. And it's a lovely, gentle image of the Holy Spirit. We often think of doves as a sign of peace. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure you've got a square bit of paper. So if you've started like I have with an ordinary bit of photocopier or printer paper, you just fold it on a diagonal like that and then cut off that end bit, and you're left with a nice triangle, which is obviously a square when you unfold it. So I'm going to make a fold along the other diagonal, like that. And I'm going to keep it like that as a triangle. And the first thing I'm going to do is to fold one corner up to there. And a nice sharp crease there. So that's one corner up to there. Then I'm going to do the same on the other side. And try and make really nice sharp creases because that makes it easier as you go along. So there you are, you've now got a square again. And turn it on the side with the line down the middle. And we're going to point this point, we're going to fold it into the middle, like that. So it's got two parallel lines. Then turn it over and fold it in again. So far, so good. This is the slightly tricky bit where we need to make some folds reverse. So you're going to slightly undo that fold and slightly undo this fold. And then what we need, this crease here needs to be creased the other way. So go from a mountain fold to a valley fold. So we push it in, this one becomes a mountain and we fold it in like that. And then we do the same on the other side. So unfold that, unfold this, push that one in and fold it down like that. So you're left with this. I will put it on YouTube as a separate film if you want to try and catch up later. I'm going to fold it back on itself like that. It makes a sort of kind of boat shape. Doesn't look very like a dove at the moment, but just wait. Where this bit is, this point is, that's going to become the beak of the dove. So you hold it with the beak at this end, and we're just going to fold that in a little bit, and making sure that you push that in there so that it becomes a point of the dove. You fold it in side itself to make the beak of the dove like that. Okay, and then it suddenly becomes quite easy because you just fold up this bit here to become one wing, turn it over, fold up this bit here to become the other wing, and we could just leave it like that, but the final flourish is to make the tail. So to do that, you sort of slightly open that tail bit up and push it in on either side like that, and then the tail will just fold back over on itself like that, so that you've got a lovely dove fan tail. So there is my dove as an image of the Holy Spirit.